Many parents spend years helping their children succeed academically, but one of the most important life skills often gets overlooked: money. Many young adults enter adulthood without understanding budgeting, credit cards, debt, interest rates, or how lenders evaluate financial responsibility. Unfortunately, financial mistakes made at 18 can sometimes impact opportunities for years. Some of the most valuable lessons parents can teach include delayed gratification, avoiding impulse purchases, building savings, and understanding how credit works. Good financial habits often matter more than income alone. The earlier these lessons are learned, the more opportunities your child may have in the future. Visit PriorityTradelines.com for financial literacy and credit education resources designed for every stage of life.